Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and the Sasquatch package giving you 35-inch tires sitting on some beadlock rims, giving you some great ride height. Also coming with rock sliders down below, soft top, and four-door configuration. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have your swing door that opens up with your spare tire on the back. Accessory ready here as well. And looking in, you have decent space that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, this compartment here with your jack and some extra room for other equipment, and your door bags, because of course your doors are removable and you want to keep them safe and not damaged while you don't have them in use. Looking into the back, you have comfortable seating for three with the marine grade vinyl interior. It's nice and waterproof. You do also have the rubber floors with drain plugs, so no water accumulation in here. In the middle, you have a USB and USB-C, as well as a 110-volt power outlet, and your window controls, and MOLLE rigging on the back of the seats, as well as a mesh pouch, so you can hook your equipment onto there. Does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. And you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle they're running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information and controls, very important for a vehicle like this, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, we have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone controls. Hands-free phone and radio controls spread out among both sides. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general features such as driver assistance and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have some of your 4x4 controls. So you have your sway bar disconnect, front and rear locking differentials, trail turn assist, so if you're on a particularly tight road and you got to make a tight turn, this will assist you, traction control shut off, hazards, and you also have a mounting point for your accessory rail, so if you want to put like a GoPro up here or something like that, you can. Moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start stop shut off, and your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Down below that, you have this cubby area with a USB and USB-C. Then you have one of your grab handles, as well as having one on either side of the dash, so you can hold on while you're going over bumpy terrain. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, two cup holders, and your 4x4 controls. You have 4 high, low, and auto, as well as trail control, just sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your window and mirror controls, because of course the doors are removable, so you still want to have control of your mirrors, and your lockable center compartment / armrest, lockable because of course the doors are removable and you want some extra security. Removable tray, plenty of room, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there. Oops. And then, I believe last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.